Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Beautiful AI as PowerPoint add-in. If you're a student or someone that uses PowerPoint for their job, you want your PowerPoint presentation to level up. You can use Beautiful AI add-in to make your PowerPoint more creative and organized. So without further ado, let's head on to the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your PowerPoint. Then go to your tools and click Insert. Then find Get Add-ins. Click Get Add-ins. And then in here, click the search bar and search for Beautiful AI. Click Search or just enter. And then Beautiful AI and other add-ins will appear. So click Add on Beautiful AI. Click Continue. And then at the top right corner, you can see that Beautiful AI is added as your add-in on PowerPoint. Then click the B icon here, the Beautiful AI, and then you can see there is Sign In. All you need to do is click Sign In and make a Beautiful AI account. You can also sign in through Google. I suggest that you sign in through Google because it's faster and easier that way. Now you have your Beautiful AI account and you will see this Beautiful AI editor. In here, you can start customizing your slide. As you can see, you can change your fonts here. You can choose between the added fonts already, or you can also download and add your own font. Just click this here. You can also start customizing your slide colors or your color theme. And when you're done, just click Done. After that, Beautiful AI will suggest smart slides. So you can choose here any ready-made slides and it will be accordance to the color theme that you chose earlier. For example, I'm going to choose word cloud. As you can see, it's green because I chose color theme green. I'm just going to click Save and now it's added to my slides. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.